grass by the riverbank. Hippo's tummy is full and swank. In the sun or in the shade, Hippo's happy, unafraid.